Hey, I haven't done one of these in a while, so I went grocery shopping this morning at 6 o'clock, and I went to the Walmart. Before I start, let's see, I spent $366, that's with tax. Missouri taxes as well as the federal tax. So here in Missouri, we have a Missouri tax. The most expensive thing I got was dog food. That was $46. The second most expensive thing I got was my ground beef. It was $32.84. So I know that one of those big 10-pounders made $17 last time. Ziggy, $33 divided by 17.
$33 divided by 17 is $1 and 94 cents.
So basically $2 is what each serving. So 2 of them big fat boys will make, I think 34. So I'll have 34 servings. So guys, I know people ask how long this lasts. Well, if I just do the ground beef by itself, my ground beef servings are of this 70. This is the 73.27, and the serving of this is I think I did 7 pounds this last time. I did not add any of the fat. So I saved that for the dogs. So I could add in a little bit of the fat, and then that will, stretch it out a little longer too. But anyway, so 17, this made 17 meals. And so 17 times 17 is only because I asked her, I don't math. So anyway, so 34. So this would be 2 weeks worth of meals right here. 2 weeks a little extra and 2 more days. So that would be, so I picked up 2 of these 10-pound ground beefs. I picked up 3 of these tricolor coleslaws, because that's what I put in my cabbage or in my salads. I like those. I picked up turnips this week because we're going to try some stuff with turnips. So I picked up 4 packages of turnips. Let me see. Then we have 4 bags of these little mini cucumbers. I got 4 of those bags. I got a pack of 3 colored peppers. And then I got 3 individual peppers because they didn't have any yellow ones. And I like yellow peppers too. So we don't want to discriminate against the yellow and orange peppers. Then I picked up another chayote. How do you say that, y'all? It says chayote squash. Chayote. Anyway, one of them squashes. The one that looks like it has a butt running through the bottom of it. Because you all had said that it's like apple. And so I should slice it, add some butter and cinnamon, and it'd be kind of like a sliced apple. We'll see. I'll try that. I picked up some carrots. Picked up 2 little red onions. I picked up some tomatoes. Hey. Rutabaga. My rutabaga is $2.98 per rutabaga. I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to go weigh it, because my turnips, y'all were talking about the difference in prices. A turnip, these turnips are $2.98 per pound. And this is $2.98 per thing. So let's see how much this weighs. Hang on. So this rutabaga right here is 2 pounds and 2.14. So it's 2 ounces away from being 3 pounds. So this is definitely cheaper where I live to get the rutabaga versus the turnip. So I just wanted to share that with you because we kind of talked about that. So I got this big old thing for $2.98 because whether it's big or little, it's $2.98 for a rutabaga. Whereas, so for $2.98, that's the equivalent of 3 of these bags of turnips. So I got those. I got a bag of onions because we're going to try, I saw a gravy recipe here on YouTube. So I bought, this is 3 pounds of onions. I went to the yellow sticker section and I got some, this is flat iron steak. It was $4.68. Well, it's still too expensive. It's still $8.68, but that's all right. And how much is it even? I don't look at that stuff. They get you. They get you. They don't let you see how much it actually weighs, but too late. I got 2 of those. And look what I got for the dogs. It's called chicken paws. And let me show you how I'm going to use those. Hold on. You know I ain't touching these nasty things. I got a bag. This little container is $3.50. The other one was $2.60. So, all right. Sit, Sammy, Baxter. Oh, he about broke this thing off. Lou. Okay, go on. Callie! Callie! Come on, Mama Dog. Where you at, girl? Come here. There you go. Get your chicken foot. She says, I don't know about this. But that's why I got them. And I'll put them in the freezer. And then you leave them alone, baby shark. I'll put these in the freezer. And I can give them to them frozen as a fun random treat here and there. So those were the yellow stickers that I had. I got 2 of these Dawn Power Washes. I got one in fresh scent and one in lemon scent. I don't know what I have and what I needed. Or one, what I'm going to like. So I got a variety. I got an 18-pack of eggs. Since I don't make my casserole and I do 2 eggs per day, I use less eggs. I bought some of these little Ziploc, or these little squeezy things. I want to take some mouthwash to work. And then I've started using this Not Your Mother's Curl Talk leave-in conditioner. So as my hair is short, I need more hold power in order for it to stay curly. So I'm still working on trying to get my curls back. But a friend of mine told me about this, so I'm trying it. Then I've got Curl Talk Sculpting Gel. It's Not Your Mother's is the brand. Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. So I'm going to try that. I also picked up some Extra Hold Mousse by Tresemme and Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo. I'm just trying stuff. I have Band-Aids that I needed to pick up for work. And I got some of this Crest 3D White. Take that to work. Now, let me go to the other side here. Okay, one of you had asked me if I missed my cottage cheese and yogurt. The answer is no, I didn't until you said something. So anyway, I thought, well, whenever I was taking it, I was taking cottage cheese. I ate a serving of cottage cheese, a serving of yogurt, but I was also eating those turkey sausages. So when I try it, I'll try it with a piece of bacon or something. Back there, I've got some two things of Puffs and a Charmin. I don't talk about my fruit a whole lot because I don't want to trigger anybody, but I'll talk about it. Well, that's my avocado. I buy the frozen avocado. So today I'm going to tell you all what I got for my fruit. When I did this last time, I bought some grapes and I pulled them all off the stem and I popped them in the freezer like on a sheet pan. And then put them in a Ziploc bag. I like frozen grapes. I like the taste of them and the texture when I bite into them. I bought 2 bags of the Cosmic Crisp apples. I bought some dragon fruit, mango, and I went ahead and bought some pineapple chunks. Because, I ain't about that, cutting it up life. I'm just too lazy for that business. So anyway, that's what I got, and that is my shopping haul for the day. And this, like I said, all this will last me 2 weeks, some of it longer. There you go. You're probably getting a little bit seasick here. But there you go. So that's my Walmart shopping haul.